of 10. Alright. So the wife and I have been building up the base, and we needed some artwork to have down there. So I'm hoping this thing that we ordered came out looking sick. Am I nervous?
Am I nervous? Yeah. After the last thing that we ordered?
Yeah. Oh, snap. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Yo, comment below. Let us know what you think about this painting downstairs in the new Tuner Army room. So we're gonna definitely get some more from that website?
Yeah. Yeah, no, they did a good job.
Boy, you did a good job. I messed up the first one. How do you feel about getting your first tattoo today?
I've been scared shitless for the past 3 weeks.
It should be a fun time though.
Yep.
Are you excited at all?
I'm excited.
Nice.
Excited but nervous.
We're gonna make sure they take care of you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I broke my back.
Your clock.
Yeah, you're gonna have to fix it for me.
I don't know how.
You ready, mamas?
I'm ready.
Right now, it's showtime.
What? You're moving, god dang. Look at that booty. Look at that booty over there, huh? Look at that booty. Oh man, look at that booty. It's thick as hell. I love that booty.
Fresh Boys on the track.
So, I'm about to let my tattoo artist drive the Corvette.
He is. It's true.
Fingers crossed. Is this your first time driving a Corvette?
Not first time this year. Yes. Holy shit! The miles per hour is on the windshield.
We are off. What do you think?
Oh, this thing is awesome. I still want to bring this on the highway.
It definitely goes.
I can imagine. What a beautiful car.
Dude, it is so much fun. It is beyond fun.
What year is this?
2008. Brand new motor. We're definitely getting it wrapped this year. So I'm excited for that. You want to tell them a little bit about your shop, where you're at?
Well, yeah, I own Wayne's Tattoo World over in Derry, New Hampshire. And been in business for 20 years? 20 plus years this year. 21 years this year. I just met Izzy here, and we're going to finish up his arm sleeve and do more.
Plenty more. Gotta do some chest,
He
gotta
seems
do
to
some
be
back.
really happy with his work.
Oh, I'm very happy. I'm ecstatic. So there's no mufflers. The mufflers are cut out.
Oh, they're cut out?
Yeah, so you're gonna hear pops. But that's part of the fun. Oh, is that a police station?
That's the police station.
Oh, god dang it. Change it up a little bit.
What was that noise?
Oh, seatbelt, don't worry about it.
Oh.
It's just me. Yeah, those are the pops I was talking about. I'll tell you that. It's definitely a little, you feel it. Just to start getting into those big miles per hour numbers, and definitely a blower or twin turbo setup.
I'm sure that 6th gear definitely helps.
Nice to have, because that drone gets annoying after a while. Yeah, that back end will go on you. It will. Wicked low.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So how's it feel?
Oh my god. This is amazing. Thank you.
No problem, buddy. Thank
Appreciate
you.
that.
How was your
How was it?
How was it?
It felt like somebody picking up a sunburn, and now it feels like a sunburn.
Well, it wasn't too bad, right?
No,
Yeah, you did.
it's sore. Sorry. Oh shoot. Sorry. Oh Jesus.
I'll see you guys next
Oh,
time.
Lord.
Peace.